Today we'll discuss how transmission problems are diagnosed. Most parts under the hood of a car have the majority of motorists completely stumped. One of the most mysterious parts of all is the transmission. Automatic and manual transmissions are quite different, and the type that will be discussed here is the automatic transmission. This is the part of the car that allows you to drive forward, go in reverse, put your car in neutral, and park it when you are done driving. Perhaps your transmission is shifting oddly, making strange noises, or acting poorly in another way, but you have no idea why. You may then be interested to learn how transmission problems are diagnosed. The simple fact is that transmissions are by no means simple. When they work properly, they are wonderful, but a certain amount of expertise is required to diagnose a faulty transmission. The first things that a transmission shop will look for are low fluid levels, a problematic solenoid, or an issue with the valve body or controller. If none of these are the problem, the entire transmission will need to be removed from the vehicle and torn down. This begins a more complex process for how transmission problems are diagnosed and leads to the high costs generally associated with transmission repair. During the diagnosing process, fluid leaks and the condition of the fluid will be checked. A dipstick test indicating a low level of fluid suggests there is a leak, which can then be searched for. A blotter test is a great way to check for old fluid. If the drop of fluid is red or light brown, the fluid is fine. If it is dark, the fluid is oxidized and will be changed. This is just the beginning of the complicated process of how transmission problems are diagnosed. When a serious problem is discovered within the transmission, many times an auto repairman will choose to replace the transmission altogether rather than attempting to repair and rebuild it himself. This will save the customer labor costs, though the replacement part will be added to the bill. No matter how transmission problems are diagnosed, the repair or replacement of the part can be quite expensive but necessary for your car to run right. You want to choose a transmission repair shop that will scrupulously decide whether it needs to be removed from your car in order to be diagnosed and fixed. That is your best bet to the least expensive repair possible. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help or have a question, our number is 693-1400, or simply visit the website you see on your screen.